In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply use ExitLag on console, PS5 or Xbox. Now, unfortunately, you cannot directly install ExitLag on your consoles, but what we can do is to use the PC connection sharing. Now, to do this, you need to get yourself an Ethernet cable, which will look something like this. This is commonly used when connecting to your router from your computer or from your PS4 to your Ethernet or internet router. Basically, what you want to do with this is to connect both of them to your computer. To the PS4, you want to connect them both together. From there, you then want to simply use Wi-Fi or other Ethernet cable to connect your PC to your router. Basically, with that setup, we have successfully shared our connection to our PS4, PS5, Xbox, or more. Now you want to open up ExitLag, and basically with that, we will be able to share our connection with ExitLag to our PS4, PS5, or Xbox. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.